Now, if you ask me what is the best AI tool for social media content creation, I would advise you to experiment on different AI tools and settle for the one which works best for you. And so in this video about the best AI tools for social media content creation, I am going to center my discussion on the AI tools I have personally used or experimented with before. This goes to say that I am not going to speak or discuss about any AI tool I have not used yet. Now, to get started, the first AI tool I experimented with was the Meta AI. And the reason Meta AI was the first tool I experimented with was because I was using the WhatsApp app that time a lot. And at the start, it would interest you to know that I was a very big critic of AI. I did not believe in AI. I just thought that what AI would do is to generate things that already exist or to pull from things that are existing in the public sphere and give you the results. So because of that, I did not give much thought to using AI for my social media content creation. Rather, I was doing everything off hate. Now, my first experimentation with an AI tool was with the Meta AI, as I said before, and what I did was asking it to interpret some words in my language, and I just discovered that the AI tool was not able to interpret most of the words in my own local dialect. So because of that, my criticism for AI grew more and more. If you go to my profile, my main profile on Facebook, Eventus Okon, you will discover how I used to post screenshots of how the Meta AI would not be able to interpret my own local dialect. So one day I was writing blog content, and then I spent almost 3 days trying to come up with a blog content, and I was, because of writing fatigue, I kept postponing and postponing. And so I looked at the draft on that blog content I was writing and said, okay, let me copy this draft and give to this Meta AI to see what it is going to do for me. Normally what I wrote was from my own original idea. So I just sat down. Back then I did not know that you can take a snap of a snap of what you've written like a photo, and upload to an AI app, and it will write what you and give it a prompt to write what you want for you. So I just sat down to write everything that I wrote down on the Meta AI app and then sent it, and I was so amazed how it returned a very nice blog article for me. The blog article seemed as if I was the one who wrote it. It was like the Meta AI was reading my mind to come up with the article. It expanded the article from the word count I already gave to it. So that was how I then started to pick interest with using AI tools. Now, one thing you need to understand is that why I can use AI tool the best way today is because my main understanding of AI was that it cannot give you what is original. It will only pull from things that are already existing in the public sphere, rephrase it, and then give you the results. So because of that, from the start, I did not depend much on an AI tool writing everything for me. I did not just copy a title into the AI tool and ask it to write something for me, or ask it a question, and from that question generate a content. So with that, I think I started using AI the best way, and it has really helped me a lot today. So according to based on the discussion of this video about the best AI tool you should use, after Meta AI started, the next AI I downloaded and installed on my phone was the Chat GPT. And when I installed Chat GPT, I transitioned from using the AI tool for my blog articles to using it to write my social media content. Now, while I was using ChatGPT to write my social media content, I did not also that I can use it to generate my thumbnail. So what I did was using ChatGPT to write my social media content, and when I'm done, I'll head on to Canva Pro to do my YouTube thumbnail design. But as I progressed in using the tools, I discovered that I can use ChatGPT to both write my content and also generate my YouTube thumbnails. And that was when I started to use ChatGPT to do everything concerning my social media content creation. Now, after ChatGPT, the next AI tool I started to use was the Google Gemini. Now, the reason I started using Google Gemini was because I was using the free version of ChatGPT, which would only allow you to generate only 5 photos a day. And because of that limitation to photo generation, I then started to use Google Gemini, which would allow you to generate limitless number of photos every day. And in due course, I also started to use the Google Gemini to write my social media content, and I discovered that it was much more perfect than ChatGPT. So today, the best AI tools I am using for my content creation are ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Not that I'm not using Meta AI again, but I discovered that these two AI tools, I mean ChatGPT and Google Gemini, helps me to achieve whatever facet or area of my content creation workflow. So this is why I told you from the start that the best AI tool for social media content creation will depend on how you experiment and master the tools as you proceed gradually. And I want to conclude this video by letting you understand that ChatGPT and Google Gemini are not the best AI tools. Please, you just need to experiment on the tools one after the other and settle for the one you think is best for you, because personally, I am also experimenting with some AI tools. So in due course, I can discover another AI tool that is much more better than ChatGPT and Google Gemini. And when I do, I will also come up here to share what I discovered with you. So right now, if you really want to use ChatGPT and Google Gemini for your social media content creation, what I would advise you to do is to always ensure that you have your original ideas in place before you head on to the tools. And also, do not stop or take the first draft that the tool generates for you. Make sure you sit down to put your human input on it. Read it over and over again and edit the AI content before you sit down to either make a video like this on it or write it as a text and post on your social media platform. Now, if this video has helped you to understand the best AI tools for social media content creation, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And please, I also want you to support me by commenting, sharing, and liking this video so that the algorithm will detect and push it to a wider audience, so I can grow and use my experience to also teach you how you can grow on social media platforms. Have a nice day.